Warning, if I don't read it, it doesn't mean that I don't know what it says, it just says record. Hey scared fam, welcome back to my scary channel. So today I'm going to be actually reading Airplane Story. So I really hope you enjoy it. And by the way, I'm kind of sad because I need to wear a mask, but I have no glasses. Finally, my plane is taking off. Well, oh, this is the wrong one. Well, I better go on. Wow, that took a while. Everyone had to go on and stuff, but finally I made it. Okay, let's see. The flight attendant gave me this thing. Maybe it's when we see this. Let's see. So it's A11. Here it is. Okay, I found it.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight. We are currently flying at an altitude at 3,000 feet above sea level. Feel free to explore the airplane.
Sorry that I couldn't read that. Okay. I didn't actually know you can explore. Oh, I'm not supposed to be in here. Wow, first class. I really always wanted to go first class.
Now please find your seat as we are about to cross the area of high turbulence.
Okay, I'm gonna be seeing. Wow, that is bad. Okay.
Thank you for your cooperation.
No problem, Captain.
Get ready as your crew prepares everybody.
Sorry, it says recording, so you can read that.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Oh, I love sandwiches. I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no, quickly. We need to find I don't know if it's a recording. Badge. Badge for the Medican. Look in the badges. I found it. Phew, that was a close one. Good afternoon to all passengers. I'm informed that we've reached the stable. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Okay. Huh? What was that?
Huh? It appears that we've lost energy as we stop cycling.
Guys, are those snakes?
Oh my god, they are snakes. Oh my god.
Where do I go? They're biting me. Ow.
Oh, good thing they're not on my neck.
Where do I go? Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we need to be. I don't know what it is. Okay, I made it to the restroom. Sparkle is with me. That was scary. We should discuss what is happening. I'm really sorry, guys. I can't read this. It's kind of hard because there's a recording sound. Don't wait for me to stop it. Okay, power's back up. That's the good news, right? And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the window, on the wing, is also gone. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have to go. The good news is I have good news and bad news. The good news is that the power's back up. The bad news is that we're losing oxygen. Well, the amount of oxygen max will drop over. Take one. And then it says stop shaking. Okay, I got it. This mask will keep you safe until we record oxygen levels. Oh my god! What is this? It looks like a bomb! Oh no! What are we gonna do? Okay everyone, calm down. But it's only me and you! if we find something sharp to cut, and cables, we might save Emma Blossom. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should we cut? Red. Please not blue, please. Even if that blue is my favorite color, I will cut the red cable, please. Ah! Oh, phew. We did it! We haven't heard from the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Oh my god. Is that? I found them. They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain quickly. It's locked. Something's happening inside the captain's room. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be. I found the code. Ah! What's that? It's the creature. What do we do, guys? You, Sparkle Girl?
You will pay for what you did. You think you are here on Earth. I brought you here. All of you.
That's not possible.
It is. It's time to die. See you in afterlife.
Oh my god. What do we do? You're Sparkle Girl. The captain is unconscious. The plane is falling. We will die. We need to find the onto button. Sorry, recording. Click everything and find that button before we die. Ah! Okay, I'm clicking. Come on, Sparkle Girl. Okay, Sparkle Girl's doing it. I'm sorry. Oh, I found the button. Thank God, Sparkle Girl, you are a hero. Okay, we did it. We saved the plane. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to go home already. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Don't worry, we'll get you.
Yes, we are okay. Audio's on. Are you okay? Yeah.
Okay, trace your location, and there is one last task we have to do. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot next to the captain. Then,
Okay. Sparkle Girl, no!
okay, everyone, I got this.
Okay, but you're not a pilot. Sparkle Girl, run! Sparkle time 1, run! Sparkle time 1, run!
Mwahaha, her destiny has already been written. Last chance, Sparkle Girl 1. Sparkle Time 1. Crash this plane.
I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane.
So, this time.
It's gone. I'm sorry that I can't. I hope you guys can read because it says recording is annoying. What? Who cares? Let's go back home. Okay, but how will we get? Oh! Yay! We won! Yay! Woo! Clap! Yes, clap! Okay, sorry. I fixed it. Yay!
Scares, guys!
Bye, guys.